How to filter and sort items on Wayfair. First of all, open the app and navigate to any category or search result page. You will see a variety of products displayed from furniture, lighting, decor, home essentials and more. To narrow down your options, tap on the filter button. You can select different criteria such as price range, color, style, material, customer ratings, and availability. Applying filters helps you find exactly what you are looking for without scrolling through hundreds of items. Next, use the sort option to organize the results. You can sort by popularity, price high to low, price low to high, newest arrivals, or customer ratings. Sorting allows you to quickly identify the best deals or the newest products that match your preferences. After applying filters and sortings, you can browse the refined results and tap on any product to view detailed description, images, and reviews. You can also add items to your favorites or shopping cart for later purchase. Now you know how to filter and sort items on Wayfair. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more shopping tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.